Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Yes student, last time in my last lecture we have completed our 3 lessons. Today we are going to continue our new lesson number 4, ratio and proportion. This topic you have seen in lower classes, means last year you have seen at standard as well as in 7 standard. Today we are going to see in large level, in depth, in this 9th standard with the exercise 4.1. See very well in 4.1 question number 1 what we have: from following pairs of numbers find the reduced form, means simplest form. We have to divide the both units, the given reduced form of ratio of first number to second number. Question number 1, reduced form we have to bring 1 of question number 1, 72, 60. See, the first quantity or unit is there 72 and second number is there 60. In both one we have to bring the reduced form. See very well everyone. See, we'll write the first in the ratio form 72 is to 60, then we will write 72 upon 60. Now we will divide these two units by a table, a common table. See very well, we are taking the table of 12. 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. You will get here 6 upon 5, means the ratio will be there 6:5. It's your reduced form of the given quantity first to second one. Okay, now second one, see very well, 38, 57. Now we'll write in the ratio form first 38:57. Then we'll write in the fraction form 38 upon 57. Now we'll take the common table of 19. 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57. You will have here 2 by 3, means 2:3 is the reduced form of the given number first to second. Everyone got this one? Now third one, see very well, same to the first second, 52, 78. We'll write in the ratio form 52:78, then fraction form 52 upon 78. See very well, we'll take the table of 13, which is the common divisor of both one. 13 4s are 52, 13 6s are 78. You will get 4 upon 6. Now one more time we can divide this one. See 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. You will get here 2 upon 3. In the last you will write in the ratio form 2:3 is your answer. Now come to the question number 2. First one, the question number 2, first one, the question is there: find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity. Now see very well, here same question is there, but we have to have the attention with the quantity or units are there. First we have the 700 rupees, then we have the 308 rupees. See very well, both quantity are in rupees. Okay, both are same. If we are going to find the proportion of the both the numbers or ratio we are going to form, we are reducing the first to second one, we'll have to see their unit must be same. If not same, we have to make them same first, then we'll solve that one. Here we are given rupees both are same, so we'll take that directly. 700 first quantity to the second quantity 300. Okay, 700 is to 308. Same thing, 700 divided by 308. Now we'll divide by 7 directly. See very well, 7 1s are 7 and take the 0 as it is. Okay, means 7 we have taken by 100 times table. 7 4s are 28. We will have here 2. 7 4s are once again 28. You will get here 100 divided by 44, means 100 is to 44. It's your answer. Now see very well, we can divide one more times here. See very well, 4 2s are 8, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20. Once more, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So you will have here as the answer 25 by 11. Means 25 is to 11. It's the simplest or reduced form. Okay. See very well, second one. See the second one. 14 rupees. Next quantity is there, 14 rupees and 40 paisa. 40 paise. Okay, here what we have to do, your lower unit is given paise, so the rupees must be converted into the paise. The first we have the 14 rupees. Okay, we will convert into the 14 the rupees paise. Okay, the 14 rupees will be converted into the convert into the paise. You know very well, in 1 rupee we have the how much paise? 100 paise. How much paise? 100 paise. So we will multiply by 100. Okay, see very well, 14 into 100 you will get 1400. It will be the paise, 1400 paise. Same thing for the second one. Here we have the 12 rupees and 40 paisa. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 100, the rupee will convert into the paisa, plus 40 paisa is there, so we'll write the 40 plus is equal to 12 into 100, you will get 1200 plus 40, you will get that 1240 paise. Now both are in same units, so we'll take the comparison or reduced form. 1400 the first quantity and second is the 1240. Now continue with there, 1400 divided by 1240, cancel the 0 0. Now we'll take the table of 2. Easily we can take here 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 0 will be as it is. Here we got the 70 divided by 62. Once again we'll take the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 is there, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. You will get here 35 upon 31, means 35 is to 31 is your answer. Are you getting this one? See one more question there, question number third one. We are given 5 liter, then 2500 ml means milliliter. See, milliliter is the lower quantity or units here. See, and liter is the, it's already in lowest form, so we'll convert the higher liter into the milliliter. Now so we'll write the convert into the 5 liter into the milliliter. 5 liter is equal to, you know very well, in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter, so we'll multiply by 1000 to the 5 liter, you will get here 5000 ml or milliliter. Now comparison between two things, 5000 ml to 2500 ml. Now continue it, 5000 divided by 2500, cancel the 0 0. 25 ones are 25, 25 to the 50, you will get 2 by 1 means 2 is to 1 is your answer. Now one more question is there, see very well, fifth one I am going to explain, see very well. 3.8 kg is the last question of this question, okay, and the other two question you will try there. 3.8 kg. Next one, 1900 gram. See, gram is the lowest unit and kg is the higher than gram, so it is already in gram in lowest unit, so we'll convert the kg, 3.8 kg into the gram. So you know very well, in 1 kg there are 1000 grams, so 3.8 kg multiplied by the 1000, so take the 0 0 as it is, and 38 means 3.8 ones are, you will get the 3.8. and now see very well, we'll take the decimal after one number from the unit place, cancel it, you will get here 3800 gram. It is converted. Now comparison, 3800 gram is to which one? 1900. Now solution, 3800 divided by 1900, cancel the 0 0, Okay, now 19 ones are 19, 19 to the 30, and you will get 2 by 1, means 2 is to 1 is your answer. Student, you be careful while the converting the higher unit into the lower unit. Always get the higher unit into the lower unit, whatever you are given, and you must have to know what's the formula and situation and what to rule apply there, because of if you don't know how many grams in kg, you cannot convert into the gram, so you must have to know. See there very well. See here in the fourth one, years is given, you know very well. In a year 12 months are there, so according to that one you have to convert. And minutes, you know very well, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. That one is easy to, you know, if you know how many minutes are there in hour, so you can convert by using that system. Okay, everyone got this one? Now these two questions we have explained. Now we'll continue in next time the next question. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.